Now hello everyone and welcome back to Theme Park Explorer. Now this is the first video I've done in quite some time where I've done like a not vlog, obviously not counting the blank coaster stuff, but today we're here to discuss so it's been confirmed that Alton Towers is getting a Bluey themed roller coaster for 2026. Now we always knew that there'd be a bit of there was always a very strong rumour that it would be Bluey, but it now has been confirmed by the park today. Now this is the first roller coaster what Alton Towers has opened since Wickerman really. So they had Wickerman in 2018, then in 2024 Nemesis, then now it's the Bluey coaster. So if you don't know where this is, the Bluey coaster will be located in CBeebies land. Just so you walk in, and that's the Postman Pat ride. What used to be there has now been completely removed, and the Bluey coaster is going there instead. Now you're probably wondering, why have do we have an opening date yet? Now that normally comes around February time, because obviously if there's a delay or something. But anyway, also what they've had to do for this ride is relocate Get Set Go, so I've had to change some of the track and make the ride shorter. I've got the Bluey plans up now. Now it's going to be, looks the plan, it's going to be quite short, but they've announced it today, so I would hope that we'll see track being installed very soon. So that will be exciting to see. But anyway, this is just a short update, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time when hopefully there's another update. Bye!